wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best jaw exercises. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. If you're just starting out, the JawFlex Ultimate will provide a gentle introduction to strengthening your jaw. However, if you're hoping to get a serious workout, you'll need to keep looking, as it doesn't provide a lot of resistance. There are 3 colors to choose from, but the hard plastic can be uncomfortable, and it feels relatively flimsy. At number 8, quite possibly the least discreet option, the mycozy Facial Trainer probably isn't something you'll use when others are around, but it does require more head movement than most, which some may feel produces quicker results. It includes 3 sets of weights, however it looks a bit silly during use, and it is large and not suitable for travel. At number 7, the Revitavite facial sculpting system is simpler to use than many others, as all you do is insert it between your teeth and stick your jaw out for a few minutes. If you have a small mouth though, you may find it doesn't fit well. It's made from 100% silicone and is safe for use with dentures. It's easy to clean when necessary. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for jaw exercises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Bright Eye Innovations Jaw Fit can encourage breathing through the nose instead of the mouth, as it builds up the masticatory muscles. As a result, you're less likely to wake up with a dry mouth or suffer from gum disease, potentially saving you money on future treatments. It should be used twice a day and is not rough on the teeth. However, the instructions are vague. Moving up our list to number 5. The Sotiras Double Chin Reducer is affordably priced and comes in 3 options ranging from £35 to £60, so there should be one suitable for every user. The small size makes it convenient to take to and from work for quick bouts of use throughout the day. You boil and bite it to customize the fit, and it includes a strap to prevent dropping it, but it is too big for some. At number 4, originally designed for physical therapy, the Facial Flex Toning Kit should prove to be effective. It utilizes stretchy bands to maintain a consistent resistance and comes with 20 in 2 strengths. It's made of surgical-grade stainless steel and is good for TMJ sufferers. It may help reduce sagging jowls. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Made of food-grade silicone, the Jawser Size Pop and Go doesn't contain any fillers or byproducts and is both hypoallergenic and durable. The hole in the middle is designed to thread the included string through to give you a hands-free workout. It's available in multiple resistances and comes ready to use. It's easy for the teeth to grip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for jaw exercises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, because it activates more than 50 muscles, most should see results quickly using the Carve 2.0. It's comprised of 2 small tablets that are comfortable to fit in the mouth, and which can conveniently be taken anywhere for use when traveling. It requires just 10 minutes per day and includes a hard storage case. It's backed by a free replacement policy. And taking the top spot on our list, designed for those who've already been using a neck and mouth muscle building device for some time, the Jawser Size Elite provides a serious workout with 50 pounds of resistance. It can be boiled and custom fit to the shape of your teeth. It increases blood flow to the face and is a BPA-free construction that's made in the United States. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for jaw exercises, or simply click beneath this video.